Welcome, dear. Today, I want to share the wisdom of food as medicine, 8 natural remedies for high blood pressure. You know, our ancestors knew the power of these foods, and I'm here to pass that knowledge on to you. First on our list is papaya. Eating papaya every morning can work wonders for your blood pressure. Sweet neem, my dear. Use it in your cooking and as a drink. Sweet neem juice is known to help control high blood pressure. Next, we have beetroot. Consume it daily with a splash of fresh lemon juice. This herbal recipe can effectively lower high blood pressure. Watermelon. It's excellent for controlling high blood pressure. The seeds of watermelon can help widen your capillaries, reducing your blood pressure. Just grind the seeds, boil them, and strain the liquid. Moving on to banana stem juice. Pound the stem and squeeze out the juice. Drink half a cup twice a day, and it will help you maintain a healthy blood pressure. Lemons are wonderful. Squeeze fresh lemon juice into hot water and enjoy it every morning. It helps make your capillaries elastic, keeping your blood pressure in check. For soothing your nerves, consider hops and valerian root. These herbs can have a calming effect on your body, which can be beneficial for your blood pressure. Suma tea, also known as Brazilian ginseng, is a fantastic choice. Enjoy 3 cups a day to help manage your blood pressure. And finally, let me share a special recipe with you. It's called the High Blood Pressure Wonder Tea. You'll need 1 teaspoon of burdock root, 1 teaspoon of golden seal root, 1 teaspoon of cayenne, 2 teaspoons of slippery elm bark, 2 slices of ginger root, and 3 cups of boiling water. Mix these herbs in a bowl, and pour the boiling water over them. Let them infuse for 30 minutes, after that, cool it down and sieve it. You can drink up to a single cup daily, taking 2 tablespoons at a time. So, dear, there you have it, a treasure trove of natural remedies and dietary tips to help you manage high blood pressure the way our ancestors did. Here's to your health, naturally. Take care, and remember, you have the power to make positive changes in your life.